To get started with agent billing, you first need to set up the chargeable item codes that will provide you with a customized list of items that you can charge to your agent. So head over to menu option I, and then menu option 4. And finally, menu option 1 for chargeable item codes. The program comes with a list of preloaded chargeable items. These can be edited, or you can use the codes we have in place. To edit an existing code, click Edit or click on the Details tab. Here, you can change the description or the GL account for this item. Using an expense GL here will reduce the company expense when it is used, or you can post to a company income GL. You can also add a new code, and can use any 2-character alphanumeric combination. Let's look at an example. If the sell price for this particular code is a set amount, you can also enter it at this time. For instance, you can enter 0.10 as the sell price for photocopies, and then put in the number of copies when you charge it to your agent. If this item is taxable, you can mark it here. You can also determine if this particular item will have interest charged on the total. The system will not automatically charge interest or a late fee. Selecting yes here will allow the system to take into account this chargeable item when calculating interest, if the interest setup and process is followed. If you deduct this item from the agent's 1099, then you can indicate the percentage to be deducted. If you want to track this item to a listing, you can change the flag to yes, and each time you use this code, you will be prompted for the listing to tie it to. If you are a multi-office client, you can choose to either post the expense or income to the agent's office, or choose a specific office to charge it to. Next, you will choose the expense category that you would like this item to show on the agent's monthly expense statement. The default categories are personal expenses and office charges. However, if you go to I.4.2 expense categories, you can either rename these categories or add additional ones. As well, you can choose to consolidate the codes in any category into one total. This gives you the ability to break down a charge into different categories, but have it show as one total on the agent's monthly statement. And now click through to view part 2 of this tutorial series.